It was good. This is my first YouTube video. It's how to make money online as a 13-year-old. Number one, set up a custodian account under a parent or guardian over 18 for stocks, and just start flipping stocks and researching them before you buy. Sell it for a profit, pretty much. Yeah, there's not much to that one. Second one, I'd suggest affiliate marketing. Pretty much just sign up for affiliate network. You can look some up, but some examples are ClickBank, CJ affiliate, just things like that. Either spam links, probably not spam links because you'll probably get banned. You can create a Google Doc and just put your affiliate links in there. Sorry, I got a call mid-video. Third one is just make videos on YouTube, which you can also put your affiliate links on YouTube. That's how a lot of YouTubers make their money. But eventually you can just put ads and they'll make you some money too. Some tips are picking the right niche and providing value to whoever your target audience is, which that's pretty much whoever wants to click the video. Number 4 is just reselling old stuff, or you can create things and just sell it on Etsy, Amazon, eBay, Poshmark, pretty much anything. You can resell shoes, shirts, hoodies, pretty much anything that you would have or would want to make that could make a profit.